Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this Magnifica XS. It's DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. It comes to us for, like, the customer was trying to install this knob. Then he decided to bring it to us, and when I tested I found out the machine needs a tune-up. So I did replace the gasket on the mechano valve in the top rope head here, and I replaced the row unit. Then I give the machine two cleaning cycles, and I descale it, and I deep clean the steam one. Then I figure out this also was leaking, so I replaced this gasket. It comes in the bottom of it here. Then I noticed it's still a little bit leaking, so I just replace it. I have another one, and I just replace that. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot on it. Let me put it in here, and this is a great shot coming of it with crema. So let's test the hot water. That works perfect. And the steamer. That works great too. So the machine functioning perfect. Thank you for watching.